Our mechatronics program here at Sierra College is really built to equip students for the technical fields across a broad scope of industries. And that's mechanical systems, electronics, and computer control.
Before I even joined the program, I barely even held like a screwdriver. This entire program has given me opportunity to build on skill sets that I would have otherwise thought weren't possible. Even before, I've always been interested in electronics, but I didn't know where to start. This program has really helped me have a guide path and really help build that confidence to learn as much electronics as I'd like to.
Our program is built from industry advisory, and so everything we teach is directly applicable to all of our local constituents. So the fundamentals of electronics, of mechanics, of automation, all of those are part of our program, and so no matter which path you take, you end up having a successful career because you have that underpinning.
Because I got to build a system. That was the first time building a system. And you got to see the system working and putting all the pipes together and actually hearing the sounds of the air going through them. So you're like, leaky pipe, fix that. This is moving, fix that. And you're like, cool. I feel like a real engineer.
After doing 21 years in the military, I was not trying to go to school. It was something on there that mentioned robot engineer. And I was like, oh, that sounds cool.
Most interesting part of these classes is definitely the lab time. Whether or not I'm soldering a PCB or putting together different stuff on the training boards, or 3D printing in the 3D printing lab is pretty fun too.
The most rewarding part is the labs. The labs absolutely retain the information that correlate directly to real life experiences, and that is super significant in my opinion.
Technology is all around us, so joining this program can open up new avenues and open up doors and opportunities that maybe you don't even realize exist. If you want to be on the cutting edge of where technology is going, mechatronics is where it happens.